In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make curve shape in Figma. We'll build a simple, elegant curved shape using only basic tools, perfect for backgrounds, hero sections, or decorative elements in your designs. I'll walk you through each action and offer helpful tips so you can follow along smoothly. Start by opening Figma and loading a file or creating a new one. A clean, empty frame makes it easier to see what you're doing, so if you prefer, add a frame in the size you're working with. Make sure you're zoomed in comfortably so you can place and adjust shapes with precision. Select the Ellipse tool. You can find it in the Shape tools on the toolbar or press the shortcut key to activate it quickly. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your first ellipse. If you want a perfect circle, hold Shift while dragging. You can make it large and soft for a more organic feel, or slightly elongated to introduce a subtle direction to your curve. With the ellipse selected, adjust its color in the right-hand panel. Under Fill, choose a solid color that suits your design. A mid-tone works great as a base. You can disable the stroke if one is applied, or keep it off from the start so the shape feels clean. If you want a lighter, airy look, reduce the opacity a bit to let the background peek through. Duplicate the ellipse to begin building that flowing, curved look. You can duplicate by using the copy-paste commands, pressing the duplicate shortcut, or by holding Alt while dragging to create a copy. Move the duplicate slightly so the two ellipses overlap. That overlapping area creates a visually pleasing curve where the shapes meet. If needed, resize the duplicate to vary the curvature. A subtle change in width or height can make the composition feel more dynamic. Now change the color of the duplicated shape. Pick a second color that complements the first, either a lighter tint of the same hue for a soft blend, or a contrasting accent for a bolder curve. Tweaking the opacity on one of the shapes can add depth, giving the overlap a more dimensional feel without extra effects. Finally, group the ellipses so they act as one unit. Select both shapes and group them. This keeps your curved composition together, making it easier to move, scale, and reuse across your project. You can also rename the group for tidy layers and faster edits later. And that's it. Your curved shape is ready. Save your progress, reuse this technique, and have fun exploring variations.